In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make header and footer smaller in Wix. If you want your website to look cleaner and more balanced, adjusting the size of your header and footer can make a big difference. In Wix, this is a simple change once you know where to click and what to drag. I will walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside the editor without any confusion. Start by clicking on your header area in the editor to select it. Once the header is selected, you should be able to see that Wix highlights that section, so you know you are working on the correct part of the page. This is important because the resize control only appears when the header itself is active. Next, look for the small handle at the bottom edge of the header. This usually appears as a blue icon, and it is the control you will use to change the header height. When you find it, click and drag that handle upward. As you drag upward, the header will become shorter. Move it slowly so you can stop at a height that still gives your site enough space for your logo, menu, or any other elements placed in the header. Keeping the header smaller can help free up more room for the main content of your page. After that, scroll to the bottom area where the footer is located. Once you are there, click on your footer area in the editor to select it. Just like with the header, selecting the footer makes sure Wix shows the correct resize handle for that section. Now locate the small handle at the top edge of the footer. This is the control used to adjust the footer height. Click and drag the handle downward to decrease the height of the footer. Make small adjustments as you go so the footer stays neat without becoming too tight for any text, links, or design elements you may already have there. A smaller footer can help your page feel more compact and polished while still keeping important information visible. That is really all you need to do. Select the header, drag its bottom handle upward, then select the footer and drag its top handle downward to reduce its size. Take your time with the spacing so everything still looks balanced and easy to read. That covers everything you need to know.